This is Tomatoes restaurant. It's famous here in Portsmouth, along with Tulip Bar. This is a famous Tulip Bar that's here in Portsmouth where all the students go to. And there's also Tomatoes, which has food directly flown from Miami with the company Cisco. So they advertise that they have American food flown in weekly. So that's a good option to eat if you like American food here. This little buddy is a little curious about me. How's it going, bud? This donkey I just found randomly. He's pretty friendly, actually. You're pretty friendly, huh? Yeah, you're not even scared. How come you're not scared? Usually animals are supposed to be scared. So I'm just on my way actually to the airport, and this little puppy is along the way. He's stuck with a rope. Yeah? What do you like eating? Grass? I think he likes eating grass. This donkey was super friendly. He's kind of sad to see me go too. Oh well. There's palm trees all over this island. Here's another donkey tied up. Make some noise, donkey. Looks like another car's coming behind me, so I better hitchhike. It's kind of fun walking through this tropical island with all these vegetation and trees, palm trees, and green, lush environment. So not a bad little hike here. From Barrow to Dominica. I saw so much shades of gray in Barrow, and now I see so many shades of green in Dominica. Complete difference in environment. There's birds here and a lot of sounds, crickets and whatnot. But up in Barrow, it was just the wind and a few birds, but very limited. I just met some Germans over here. The German couple was here for a 2-week trip in Guadeloupe and then Dominica. And they rented a car and drove around here for a few days. They're actually in Dominica for 5 days. I was here for 4 days. So I think that's about the average time you'd want to spend here. But if you had a car, you could travel a lot more and see a lot more. Here we have a abandoned mill that's just dilapidated. And then walking across the bridge, there's 365 rivers in Dominica, and that's the favorite saying of the locals here, that there's 365 rivers. In Antigua, however, there's 365 beaches. So you always want to be famous for something in each country. You could definitely go bathing here. Are you tired of fried chicken? Buttercup Bakery has real good fresh sandwiches in Kalibashi. Pool, bar, restaurant, accommodation. Shh, it's a secret. So I got a ride finally. You're hitchhiking too? Where are you going? Fun day? Now we got another hitchhiker. You wanna come with me? I got a ride in the pickup, which provides me a really good view of the islands. Just passing a banana plantation right now. Well, that was fun hitchhiking with you.
Okay.
So, where are you headed to now? Cadefield? Is that near Roseau?
Yeah.
That's where the other airport is, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What are you doing in Cadefield?
Well, I do nails.
Oh, okay. So you're going to work. That's
So,
nice.
I can go today though.
You didn't?
I might go.
Oh, you might not. Okay, well, hopefully you're lucky.
Yeah.
I'll catch you next time, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Something is happening. A $27 million plus state palace is building while our economy is collapsing. That is state malice. Oh my gosh. Hey, how's it going, man? What's your name?
Fitzroy.
Huh?
Fitzroy.
Fitzroy, okay. What did you just do here? You just finished laundry?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do you do your laundry? Right here at the river? Oh, that's cool. Who did it? Yourself or your mom?
My mom.
Oh, your mom, okay. Alright, I'm gonna go swimming there now.
Okay.
Okay, see you.
I have to come back.
What?
I have to come back.
Oh, are you coming back?
Yeah, to swim, babe.
Oh, you're gonna swim too? Okay, maybe I'll see you around.
Okay.
So what are you doing here?
Washing.
Washing clothes?
Yes.
So this is old-fashioned style.
Yes.
But it's good.
Yeah. That's be accustomed used to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So then you just dry it on the rocks, yeah?
Yes, we dried on the road.
Oh, okay. It's pretty good.
So where you live here?
What's that?
Where you live?
So over here, they're working on washing their clothes and then they dry it on the rocks because the sun is pretty hot and it warms up the rocks. So it's a pretty fast process. And they come here about twice a week to wash their clothes, so it's pretty original style. And I'm gonna take a swim right here before I head out. Yeah, he's washing the van. Hey, I like your passports. Can you tell me what you have here?
Dominica, USA, and the plain ones. And we have the Chinese ones if you're going to China.
Ah, okay, good. Just in case. Yeah.
They're
So
sweet and sour at the same time.
You have coconut, cheese,
Tamarind
You get-
balls,
tablet,
tablets.
and you got this one, hash. This is hash chop, but it's not hashish.
No.
Okay. What about this?
This is cocoa sticks to make tea.
Okay.
It used to make tea.
Cocoa sticks.
buckle in the front. If you need any additional lighting, please use the courtesy lights located above your seat. Thank you so much for your attention. We'll be taking off.